Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken rice skillet. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my copper chef. You can use any skillet you have. I just happen to like my copper chef. I have this preheating. I'm going to go ahead and add in some olive oil to my copper chef. Yes, Dexter. And Dexter's wide awake today, guys. He wants to be in on the action. Alright, and I put in probably about 4 or 5 tablespoons, just enough to coat the copper chef on the bottom. I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit to like medium high. Now I have some boneless skinless chicken breasts. I have 3 of them that I cut in half to make thinner breast. You want it like this so it cooks through in the time that the meal takes to cook, plus you get more food for your money. So I'm going to get them in here and brown them up. And I'm going to do 3 at a time because I have 6 halves. Once I get my chicken all browned up, then I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, now that my chicken's all browned up and I pulled out and set it aside for now, I turn my heat down to low. I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of water. I'm going to do this carefully because there's oil in here. Okay, I'm also going to add in a 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup. I'm going to get that down in there. And guys, Dexter's new thing is he likes to come out of his cage and just stand on the door. So what he'll do at night when I'm in the room watching TV, he'll go to his cage at the door inside and he'll start yelling Ricky and just carrying on until I come over and open the door and let him out for a little while. And the only way I can get him back in is by putting a treat in his food dish for him to go in. Now I have some paprika here. I'm going to go for about 1/2 teaspoon. And I'm just eyeballing that. I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And guys, it's a fairly simple dish with only 1 pan to clean and your measuring cup. About 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We don't want too much because that cream of chicken soup has salt in it. And it's really good for a weeknight when you worked. So I'm just going to stir this around, get everything all mixed together. And I'm scraping the bottom of the pan while I'm doing this to get up that chicken flavor. That's going to help flavor this sauce. And it doesn't have to be totally dissolved, just the best you can get it, because as it cooks it will dissolve in there. And all of a sudden Dexter's gone quiet. Alright, I'm going to turn my heat up a little bit and bring this up to a gentle boil. And while I'm doing that, I have instant rice here. Make sure you use instant for this, guys, because if you use regular white rice, it'll take too long for the rice to cook and your chicken will be rubber by the time your rice is done. I'm going to put 1.5 cups of instant rice in here, and I'm measuring this out in a measuring cup. Now if you like your chicken rice dish more firm, not quite as saucy, use 2 cups of rice, but I want mine a little on the creamy side. So I'll just turn my heat up a little higher. It's starting to come up to a boil. You can see it's starting to boil a little bit there. I'm going to go ahead and dump my rice in. And I have a 12-ounce package of frozen package of broccoli florets. Let me stir my rice in. I'm going to go ahead and dump that in there. And as that broccoli cooks, that'll put out some water. That'll help thin this out a little bit. I'm going to turn my heat down now to medium. And I'm just nestling my broccoli down into that sauce. Now I'm going to get my chicken. We're going to go ahead and lay the chicken in here on top of the broccoli and rice. And guys, this chicken, it's not cooked through. It's still raw in the middle, but it will cook as the rice and the broccoli cooks. You just want to nestle your chicken down in there. And this little bit of juice that the chicken put off, I'm just going to go ahead and dump that in there because that's added flavor. We'll throw that out now, so not to contaminate stuff. Now I'm going to go ahead and season the top of the chicken with a little more pepper, salt, and I was going to say cayenne pepper, a little bit of paprika. And guys, like I said, just going to be really quick and easy with big time flavors. And a little bit of salt, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Just a light dusting. Okay, I'm going to put a lid on this, and I'm going to simmer this for about 5 to 8 minutes. And that time the rice will cook through, the broccoli will warm up, and the chicken will cook through. Alright guys, my 5 minutes is up. My chicken's cooked through, my rice is cooked, my broccoli's cooked. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'll start out with the rice and the broccoli. Rice is nice and tender. That sauce is really good. It picked up the flavor of the chicken and the broccoli. Plus the cream of chicken soup in there. Broccoli's cooked through. Has a slight little crisp to it, but it's not wrong. I like it with the crisp. I don't like it mushy. That's good. Try a little bit of chicken here, guys. What? See, my chicken's cooked through. It's nice and moist. And pretty much what it did is it steamed in there while the rice was cooking. So that keeps it nice and moist. Let me try that. That's really good, guys. You get that good chicken flavor from browning it in the pan first. Got a nice sear on it, gave it flavor. Plus you taste the paprika and the pepper and the salt. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Okay, there you have it. Chicken rice skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.